Hi guys, this is Madi. In this video, I'm gonna show you the best free battery saver for Android device. Let's start. First, open Play Store. Then search Fast Cleaner and Battery Booster. Download and install this application. After that, open the app. In the first step, go to Battery Booster. Here you can see your charging time remaining. We can easily increase this time. We have two options to do that: Ultra Power Mode or Extreme Saving. First, let's go to Ultra Power Mode. In this section, you can read the information about this option. Now, let's go and try Extreme Saving. When you select this option, strangely increase your battery life. All you have to do is tap on Apply. Then select Allow Permission. After that, go back to Application. Great. Also, for 10 battery saver off, select Disable Extreme Power Saving Mode. And your device goes back to normal condition. Now, let's go to CPU Cooler. Here, you can cool down your CPU's temperature. Only thing you have to do is tap on Cool Down. This will increase the performance of your device. And finally, let's go to Speed Booster. Here, you can speed up your device. Select Optimize. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you require additional information, please let me know.